Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about 5 things to do to your lawnmower every single year. This will be an easy lawnmower maintenance tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this lawnmower, and these are 5 things that I try to do to my lawnmower every year. Sometimes it gets postponed, sometimes I forget certain things, but these are 5 things that you should do, okay? Number 1 is change the oil, okay? Now, a lot of people will only change the oil every couple years, but it is so inexpensive and so easy to do that it's worth it to change it every year. It's very, very simple. You drain out the old oil, you put your new oil in. It's really like, that's the basics of it. It's a little bit more complex than that, but you're essentially getting rid of the old oil, putting in the new oil, okay? There are also ways that you can check the oil level of your engine, of your lawnmower engine, which in this case would be this over here for myself. This would be the dipstick to check the oil right over here. If I untwist it, I have it twisted on pretty tightly, but if I untwist it, I can see the condition of the oil, okay? So you want to, fill up the oil to make sure that it's, number 1, it's nice and fresh. But number 2, as you can see right here, I need to be changing the oil on this machine very soon. I'm due for an oil change basically on my lawnmower, but number 1, it's nice and fresh, and number 2, it's nice and viscous so that the engine will last much longer. Okay. Number 2, you want to replace the spark plug. Now, this is also something that's super inexpensive and really, really easy to do. If you look on your lawnmower, there's going to be a spark plug wire. If you unplug your spark plug wire, you can remove the old spark plug and replace it with a new one. There's a special tool that you can use, or you can carefully use regular tools that you have in your toolbox anyways. Once you have your new spark plug in there, you want to plug your spark plug wire back in, and that's it. It's good to go. Number 3, clean the outside shell of your mower. Now, I actually am definitely due for cleaning, as you can see right here. I recommend that you wash this using a damp rag. I don't recommend that you spray it with water. A lot of people I've seen just spray their mower with water. You get the bag wet, and it's an engine, right? So I always just recommend that what I do is I get a damp rag, just like a microfiber cloth that I use to clean. It's that one over there. That one's not microfiber, but usually I use a microfiber one. I'll wet it, and I'll just wipe the mower multiple times. It takes, 10 minutes. You do it once a year, and at the end of the day, it makes the mower look much better. It doesn't necessarily make it run better, but it just makes it look better. And when you store it away, it's not going to be as dusty, okay? Number 4, clean your air filter or replace your air filter. Now, my air filter's in here. I'm not going to open it now because I have this piece of tape holding it because one of the clips is broken. So I'm not going to open it up. But essentially, to replace the air filter, most lawnmowers, you just open it up. So I'll show you what I'm not going to actually do it, but I would unclip it. The air filter's right there. You pull the old one out, you put the new one back in. Really easy to do, and it makes sure that your mower stays running with nice clean air. You want a good oxygen and gas mixture, and the best way to do that is to make sure that you're replacing or cleaning your air filter. You don't have to replace it every year. They're inexpensive, but really you can just clean it as long as you do it properly. Last but not least is number 5, which is the 5th thing that you should do every single year, which is either winterize it or summerize it or both, okay? So for winterizing it, there's different methods, but a lot of people will recommend that you put like some sort of fuel stabilizer in there, or that you use up the old gas or drain the old gas. I tend to just use up all of the gas in the mower. So I'll basically, when I'm doing the last mow of the season, I'll make sure that there's hopefully just enough gas to finish the mow, and then I'll just, continue mowing the lawn until the mower runs out of gas, so that I know that I've drained it all out of there. Some people will leave the gas in and will put some sort of stabilizer. It's up to you, but you want to make sure you're doing something to get it ready for winter. And then when you summarize it to get it ready for summer, usually it's just a very quick process of basically doing what I said. Make sure you change your spark plug, change your oil, clean the air filter, make sure the gas is good in there, and start it up, let it run nice and easily for a few minutes before you actually start using it. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.